Hey guys, welcome to MathJoy. In this video, we want to find the value of this expression 40 divided by 4 times 9 plus 1. Are you ready to solve? Let's go ahead and get started. In this expression, we have one division, one multiplication, and this parentheses. As we know, parentheses has higher priority than other operations. So first, we have to handle this parentheses. Inside this parentheses, we have 9 plus 1, which equals 10. So we have 40 divided by 4, then times 10. And now we have one division and one multiplication. According to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority, and we have to from left to right. So first this division, 40 divided by 4, which equals 10. So we have 10 times 10, which equals 100. So our final answer to this problem is just 100.